welcome back. This time, we will explore together another beauty of Sicily, namely Ortigia. Staying in Catania, we took the interbus from Piazza Borsellino to Syracuse. You can also catch it near Catania Centrale. The ticket cost €6.20. In Syracuse, the bus passes by the Basilica Santuario Madonna del Lacrime. The building dedicated to the Madonna is shaped like a tear. It is unique. The interior is round, with entrances all around it. It is beautiful and impresses with its very simple style. We got off near Piazza Pantheon, where we saw the Chiesa di San Tommaso al Pantheon and the park next to it. From there, we walked towards Ortigia, which took about 5 minutes. We crossed the Ponte Umbertino bridge over the navigable canal, where many people choose to take a boat ride. On the bridge, you'll also find the statue of the great Archimedes. Archimedes is considered to be one of the greatest mathematicians of antiquity and one of the greatest of all time. Syracuse is one of the oldest cities in the world and certainly one of the most beautiful in Sicily. In 2005, Syracuse was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Immediately after the bridge, you'll be greeted by the ruins of the Temple of Apollo. From there, continue uphill slightly towards the center of Ortigia. Since it was a scorching day, we decided to cool off with gelato at Il Cucchiaino. We also recommend walking along Via Cavour for its spectacular buildings and the fabulous opening towards Piazza Duomo. The Church of San Giuseppe and Sant'Ignazio di Loyola, also known as the Church of the Jesuit College, is one of the largest churches in Syracuse and features a majestic Baroque facade. Unfortunately, the church is currently closed to visitors as it awaits restoration. The Syracuse Cathedral dominates this fabulous square with white marble. It is one of the most beautiful and imposing squares in Ortigia, flanked by majestic buildings. It is the main tourist attraction in Ortigia, where both tourists and locals gather. You'll find cafes and restaurants in the area. We took a break to enjoy the music of local artists. Then entered the Chiesa di Santa Lucia, where a painting by Caravaggio can be found, making it worth visiting this small church. From there, we headed down towards Belvedere Largo Arethusa, where the sea opens up like a trophy during our visit, offering a beautiful panoramic view of the sea and the city, with a pleasant ambience for relaxation. Right next to it is the Font Arethusa, one of Ortigia's landmarks. Located near the Lungomare, it has a round fountain shape and is filled with swans, ducks, fish, and plants. We didn't miss the Fountain of Diana, located in Piazza Archimede. The end of Ortigia is marked by Manius Castle, in front of which you'll find a mitre sculpture. Manius Castle is the most important landmark on the island of Ortigia, Syracuse. There is an entrance fee of €4 per person. It's a well-preserved fortress castle that has undergone some renovations. A great place to visit. On our way back, we found Cala Rosa Beach on the eastern side of the city. A nice spot where you can take a break, cool off in the sea, and then continue exploring the city. Wonderful water, and a view of both the city and the sea. There's a shower where you can rinse off after swimming. At the end, we enjoyed a very tasty panini after passing through the very crowded Ortigia street market. Don't forget to visit the following places. Ear of Dionysius, a famous limestone cave in the archaeological park of Neapolis, known for its unique shape and incredible acoustics. Greek Theatre of Syracuse, one of the largest and most well-preserved ancient Greek theatres in the world. It is still used for performances today, especially during the annual Greek Drama Festival. Archaeological Park of Neapolis. In addition to the Greek Theatre and the Ear of Dionysius, this park includes several other ancient sites, like the Altar of Hieron and the Roman Amphitheatre. Roman Amphitheatre, an ancient Roman structure located near the Greek Theatre, once used for gladiator fights and other spectacles. Catacombs of San Giovanni, a fascinating network of underground burial chambers dating back to early Christian times. Papyrus Museum, a unique museum dedicated to the history and craft of papyrus, showcasing artifacts and documents. Temple of Apollo, located at the entrance of Ortigia, this is one of the oldest Doric temples in Sicily. Museo Archeologico Regionale Paolo Orsi, this museum houses one of Italy's most important collections of ancient artifacts, including Greek and Roman sculptures, pottery, and coins. The bus back to Catania departs from Corso Umberto, less than a 15-minute walk away. This was our trip to Ortigia. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay with us as we explore more cities in Sicily.